As a husband and as a father, as a leader of the household, it's important to know that this month of Ramadan, things are going to change up, but that shouldn't be a deterrent from you in trying to be your best. Firstly, it's important to know that this change may be difficult, but the difficulty will go away when you trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and know that He is the source of ease. Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altuhu sahlan. Allah, there is no ease except that which you have made easy. Trusting in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to turn that hardship to ease is the first thing that we should understand. The second thing is that we should, as men, as husbands, as fathers, make the effort to gather our families together. As they say, a family that prays together stays together. To establish each other for suhoor and or iftar as well, sitting together intentionally as a family to have our morning breakfast or to break our fast together. And also to sit together with the knowledge, to sit together between iftar and tarawih, between Maghrib and Isha, to make it a point to where we will come together, phones in another room. We read the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala together. We either read a page, each person reads a page or a half a page, and we talk and understand through the tafsir what these verses may mean, or we read a hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, coming in tune with the nusus, with the texts of Islam, the Quran and the Sunnah, but as a family and learning about each other in this blessed month. Thirdly, it's important to know that as the father, as the husband, your children may make mistakes. You may make mistakes, and to accept each other on those mistakes. But know that the general premise is that we are a family that strives. We are a family through our mistakes. We ask forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and ask forgiveness from each other. And that is how, through this process of becoming the unit of strength and becoming the unit of family members that want to benefit and transform this Ramadan using these three aspects, inshallah, will allow this Ramadan to be a transformative, fruitful one, inshallah.